We're told, consider the equation y is equal to 2x minus 5. Complete the missing value in the solution to the equation. So pause this video, have a go at that. So there's a couple of ways you could do this. You could just substitute x equals 1 into this original equation and figure out what you would get for y. And actually, I'll do that in a second. That's actually probably the way that I would approach it. But they also gave us this graph, so maybe we should use this. Maybe that's what we're here for. Try to think about how to look at it from a graphical point of view. So when x is equal to 1, we can see that assuming this is the graph of y is equal to 2x minus 5, what does it look like y is equal to? It looks like y is equal to negative 3. But let's validate that using the technique I just said. So if we say y is equal to 2 times 1 minus 5, that is equal to 2 minus 5, which is indeed equal to negative 3. So this checks out. You could also validate that something that's not on the graph right over here is not going to satisfy that equation. For example, if I picked this point right over here, 1, negative 1. If I had x equals 1, 2 times 1 minus 5, that is once again negative 3. That's not going to be negative 1. Or maybe I could pick a point like this. That's not going to be on the graph. 0, 0, not on the graph. So anything or not, and also does not satisfy the equation. So maybe the idea behind this question is just for you to appreciate that this graph is going to have any value on this graph will satisfy this equation, and any value, any xy pair that satisfies this equation is going to sit on this graph.